How life insurance saved one of the favorite meals for billions. Very few people know this, but if it weren't for life insurance, and more specifically, whole life insurance, the world may never have been introduced to the Big Mac. Yes, this is the true story of McDonald's. Ray Kroc was a man determined to grow his business from a quality local hamburger shack into a national pastime and household name. Whole life insurance funded what became the biggest franchise in the world at one time. Working as a milkshake machine distributor in 1954, Ray Kroc took notice of a successful hamburger stand in San Bernardino, California. He approached them intending to sell brothers Morris and Richard McDonald more multi-mixers. He learned they were interested in a nationwide franchising agent. Kroc, 52 years old at the time, decided his future was in hamburgers and partnered with the brothers. He opened his first McDonald's in Des Plaines, Illinois in 1955 and bought out the McDonald brothers in 1961. He had to contend with increasing cash flow shortages, steep competition, and a difficult economy. Kroc did not take any salary during his first 8 years. He borrowed money from two of his cash value life insurance policies and also his bank to help cover the salaries of key employees. He also used some of the money to create an advertising campaign around emerging mascot Ronald McDonald, bringing the Big Mac to the masses. The strategy paid off handsomely. Loan against insurance policy. Policy loans provide a source of funds that uses your policy's cash value as collateral. You don't need any physical asset as collateral to secure the loan. You must have accumulated cash value or must gain a surrender value in the life insurance policy to get a policy loan. Please note, a life insurance policy loan isn't taxable as income as long as it doesn't exceed the amount paid in premiums for the policy and the policy remains in effect. Options for repaying your loan include paying only the annual interest or making periodic payments. You don't need to pay back a policy loan before you die, but a balance will reduce the death benefit. Using a progressive franchising arrangement and striving for consistency and standardization throughout the chain, McDonald's grew to more than 700 restaurants in 10 years. This is a direct result of that key early growth that was largely self-funded by Ray Kroc's whole life insurance policies, ultimately making McDonald's a global brand. McDonald's today. McDonald's is the world's second largest restaurant chain by revenue after Starbucks. There are about 38,000 McDonald's locations worldwide as of 2022. Globally, McDonald's serves over 69 million people every day. McDonald's operates in 118 countries and territories. The McDonald's Corporation revenues come from the rent, royalties, and fees paid by the franchisees, as well as sales in company-operated restaurants. McDonald's was the world's second largest private employer after Walmart, with 2 million employees in 2021. Global fast food burger chain McDonald's total assets for the quarter ending September 30, 2022 were $48.5 billion. McDonald's revenue for the 12 months ending December 31st, 2022 was $23.18 billion. According to Kantar Group, a data analytics and brand consultancy company, as of 2022, McDonald's has the sixth highest global brand valuation. Whether we love or hate fast food, there is no question that McDonald's is a true business success story. It has excelled as a duplicatable business model characterized by consistency, efficiency, adaptability, and resiliency. Both businesses and individuals can take advantage of a whole life insurance policy. The coverage offered, tax deferred growth, and flexibility of whole life insurance policies can help policy owners achieve their original goal as well as new objectives and needs that arise over time. With Rake Rock, nobody knows for sure how astronomical the rate of return of that policy loan actually was. However, we all know about the billions upon billions of customers that McDonald's restaurants have served since then. As quoted by Ray Kroc, if you believe in it and you believe in it hard, it is impossible to fail. Thank you, Whole Life Insurance, for enabling McDonald's to share the happiness with billions across the globe. May the force of own private banking with whole life insurance be with you. Please go through the description for the sources for this presentation. I've shared the link to my next presentation, How Life Insurance Saved a University from Closing, at the end of this presentation. And do not forget to check out the playlist for more presentations. If there is something to gain and nothing to lose by asking, by all means ask. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. I sincerely appreciate it. Namaste.